Hello to everyone, and today guys we will show you how to upload high quality videos on Instagram. So if this topic is interesting and needful, let's go to watching. At the first step, I just need to open my Instagram. We are on the profile page, as you can check. So let's tap on the three lines at the top of the screen and go to the settings. Later, we need to choose account and data usage. Well done, and later we have this special feature like high quality uploads. As you can check, you can read about this option below, which means that from now on you really can upload your video in a high quality. So let's tap on this switch beside it to turn on this feature. Also, if you don't want to have this option activated, you can smoothly click on the toggle and disable it from your account settings, which is really very convenient to control. And I hope that from now on you know how to make your content more interesting for your followers and to really have a high quality content on your account. Don't forget about likes and also subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool fun tricks and also get to know more about Instagram and other social media. And guys, have a nice day, good luck!